2021 will see an increase in the importance of organizational safety challenges. There's truly significant pressure to deploy. At the end of 2020, we saw a flurry of empty driver's seat demo videos. Some of those companies said that they were completely safe and ready to deploy. Some of the companies may have been under pressure to meet an end-of-year date, but it's hard to really know, and so that's a transparency issue. The question is, can the teams take the time they need to really get safe, or will they be driven by calendar deadlines? There's some industry transparency needed. It's really important that when a company puts its vehicle on the road, they're doing it because it's the safe thing to do, not because it's a certain date, but also that the public trusts that, yes, they're really doing it because it's safe. I think in part, this is going to require more collaboration and transparency rather than competition when it comes to the safety aspects of things. And it will be really important to build up a bank of public trust. Eventually, there will be an adverse news event. Driving is not perfectly safe. And it's really important for the industry to have the public's trust so that when an adverse news event eventually comes, they can weather the storm with the public believing, based on transparency rather than just assertions, that yes, all the companies in the space are doing the right thing to make sure this technology is safe. A challenge in 2021 that companies need to address is ensuring they actually have a robust safety culture, because safe outcomes won't happen unless their safety culture is in order. Three things are coming together that make this a particular challenge. First, you have the Silicon Valley move fast and break things culture, which is not accustomed to doing safety critical design. That's meeting up with the automotive safety culture, which is accustomed to doing safety critical design, but also historically has put a significant workload on the human driver to not only act safely, but also compensate for technical defects to maintain safety, even though something's gone wrong. Except now, there's no human driver. The entire industry needs to come together to have a good, robust safety culture, not only within individual companies, but across the industry, so that the stakeholders can trust and accept this important technology.